All right, Derek, I want to give you a quick tour of the facility. I know we haven't talked in a little bit, and you're still kind of dealing with your ETS and everything. The facility itself is about 40,000 square feet. We have 8 interior labs along with a rooftop lab. You can see right here, that is the backpack that we give you on day 1. That will have all your tools in there. Tools that you'll use here at the facility, but also take along with you. Now, the equipment itself, each lab kind of offers something a little bit different, so you'll be working with all different type of systems. That way you get a good feel for what you actually might see on the job. The goal is to make you work ready in the 6 weeks, so we do everything we can, to prepare you for that. Here's our Vince Lombardi lab, another lab. You can see the gravel on the ground to kind of simulate what you might see on a rooftop. We also try to keep the instructor to student ratio pretty small. Now, it's not only 2 guys usually with an instructor. It's usually 15 to 20, give or take. You'll have 2 instructors per class, and what they do is they'll split the class in half. So half will stay behind while the other half covers topics in the labs, and then they'll flip-flop. But we want that hands-on time, or that one-on-one time, so you can get that individual attention in case you have any questions, through the process. But you're going to see a wide array of different condensers, older units, newer units. That way you get a good feel, and you're and prepared for what you're going to encounter in the job. Now, the split between lab time and classroom is about 70% to 30%. We do 70% in the lab, so you'll actually cover a topic in the class and then apply what you learn to the actual equipment in the labs. Now, this is our Operation Red Wings lab. We have a strong military influence. So definitely, I'd say 85% of the student body are veterans, so guys that are all looking to, complete the program with the same goal of getting into this career path. Now, on top of the actual tools that you'll receive, I'll show you in a different one. You'll also be receiving an iPad mini. That's just going to have all your downloaded curriculum. Sorry about that. Downloaded curriculum on there. You can kind of see it right there. There's an iPad that has that's pretty much your books. It's going to serve as your books. It's has all your curriculum, downloaded, so it's easy for you to access back at the hotel. This is our cafeteria area. We feed you every day. You're well fed, promise you. Same food I eat every day. Breakfast in the mornings, and then lunch. Now, we do give you the $175 cash to hold you over for dinner. So if you want to, you can spend that cash really however you want, but you can also use it for dinner or groceries. Now, these are new additions to the actual facility. We actually put these interview rooms in. A lot of times we have contractors come in. These contractors want to talk to students. They might be local, but have other companies in different parts of the country. So you might be interviewing it for the first interview here, and then eventually set up a phone interview back in your hometown and get set up that way. This is the newer side of the building. These labs are a little bit bigger in size. You're going to deal with a little bit more high efficiency systems. You have the furnaces over here. They're actually elevated, so it's a little bit easier to access. Also, the different ductwork. You'll see the flex ductwork in this lab. The next one has the rigid ductwork. We have some of it installed correctly and incorrectly, so you can kind of learn the differences. But you cover, residential AC, I think week 1 and 2, then you move on to heat, and then do some low voltage electrical work. Notice the t-shirts also. You'll get a t-shirt sent to you in the mail if you do sign up, and then the remainder t-shirts you'll be getting on day 1. Now, not only do we teach, the hands-on mechanical work, I think these guys are doing cooling checks right now. So a lot of it is going to be either done quizzing and testing is going to be done not only in the labs but also in the classroom. The EPA certification you'll be taking week 3, and that way you have time to study and get prepared for that. But usually right after EPA certification you move on to your NATE certifications on like week 4 and 5. But you kind of build up to that. Once you complete the EPA certification, it's a big stress relief because mainly with that EPA certification, that's allowing you to get into this field, and that's extremely important. This is Jesse. He is a instructor here, has about 33 years experience in this field. All of our instructors do. They do a great job at guiding you through all the mechanical and technical aspects and work with you through the process. The lab in here, you can see the spiral duct work up top, but you have students in here working. The goal is to get you that hands-on feel, but also be efficient with the time that you're working in these labs. So some of these lab exercises might be timed because you want to make each potential service call valuable for you. You want to get as many as you can in. So oh, you're fine. Sorry. Get your be able to be efficient and get from one service call to the next in a timely fashion. Now, on top of that, you are also going to learn, a little bit more than the mechanical and technical. We teach you the soft skills. That's what we consider, how you treat and interact with your customers, because that's a big part of it. You're looking at a field where you're going to people's homes and you're guiding them through their heating and cooling needs. So we make sure we do everything we can to prepare you what you're going to encounter and how to talk to your customers, because when it comes down to it, the mechanical is one aspect, but being able to communicate and work well with your customers is going to mean more money in your pocket, because a lot of contractors will offer commissions. So parts replaced, think about it if you need a new capacitor or something like that. Those can really tally up. You can also do maintenance packages, upgrades on their systems. A lot of people are using indoor air quality products if they have allergies, or removing odors from their house, things like that. So once you get the hands-on and able to kind of guide these customers, it eventually results in making you a successful technician, and also making you more money in your pocket. That's the ultimate goal. This is our job placement assistance department. You will have a specific counselor that works with contractors in your area. We have relationships with these contractors nationwide, so their goal is to coach you through the process. We want to get you trained, but we also want you to be professional when going into your interviews. Coach you with the type of questions that they're going to ask, and the process itself, as far as interviewing and everything, it's important. You'll do a phone interview. We even do video resumes that we actually send out to contractors. The video resumes are a way for the contractor to get a chance to meet you before they actually shake your hand when you go and interview with them in person. But these pictures on the wall, those are our graduating classes. It's kind of funny, the first picture is about 6 students. Now we're bringing in classes of about 300. So the need is there for these technicians, and we've been successful at doing that. It is ultimately our goal, not only to get you trained in this field, but to get you started in this career field. So we do everything we can as far as preparation, getting you trained, but making you a work-ready, technician that's going to be a success in this industry. So take a look at this. We haven't talked in a while, so I just kind of wanted to send this out, give you an idea of what we do here. And if you want to move forward with your enrollment or call and ask any questions, please give me a call. Have a good day.